In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy process of replacing the battery in your Audi A8 key fob. All you'll need to get this done is a replacement battery, which for this device can either be a CR2032 or a CR1632. And we'll get into that in a second. We'll open this thing up and see which battery your device has. In both cases, you only need one battery. So if you'd like to get these online, go check out the links in the description. Those links will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for good prices. Now to open this thing up, we first want to flip out the key. You can see there are two halves of the device, and if you grab on the bottom and grab on the top, you can literally just pull, kind of wiggle this thing apart. If that is difficult, we can just grab a flathead screwdriver and go in this indentation in the back, twist, and that's going to make that a lot easier. And then we're going to work over here on the bottom section, and you can once again just rip it apart with your fingers. If you use the lips here, there are two lips where the key was housed. You can just pry this thing open. And if yours is a little bit stuck, if that is difficult, show you how to use this flathead, and we can just go in this key area and pry just to get some better leverage. That will make it a little bit easier for you. On the inside, we have the battery. You can either just dump the battery out or gently lift it out with a flathead screwdriver or with your fingernail. As you can see, my device uses the 1632, which is a smaller battery. To compare, this is the 2032. Some of them have this larger battery. It's a little bit different on the inside because this obviously won't fit in there. But just remove your battery, and obviously if you have the 2032, you will buy one 2032. And if you have the 1632, you will be needing one 1632, and those links are in the description. And when you have your new battery and you're ready to put it in, you just want to make sure that for either battery, the positive side that has the plus sign and the battery information is facing down, and just set that into place. And then you can take the half with the circuit board, set that right on top, squeeze, and we can push these two halves back together. Give it a good squeeze so that it snaps into place, and that is it. That's all it takes. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.